Hey, what up, guys? Namhlanje kumoshakele. Balama hour. Balama hour.
MDZ and
Diggy Copperfield. Guys, washa u6 sokulate. Shonilanga qali show. Kumoshakele show. Yo, mina
asiyenu.
Hello. How are you? What are you and which production are you performing on? Hello.
What's up?
How are you?
I'm cool.
Who are you and which production are you performing on?
I'm performing in the Luluana Productions. I have no idea who this character is called. What is this character called again?
The evil brother.
Huh? The evil
the
brother,
evil
yeah. Umulai, yes.
Who are you and what? Hello.
Ashe,
How are you?
I'm good and you?
What are you and which production? Who are you and which production
Who I
are you
am?
performing in? Yeah.
Tatona Folk and I'm performing in Luluana, the Professor. Today, don't miss out.
What time?
Half past 6.
After 6.
Hi, my name is Boyo.
Who are you in the show?
I'm part of Luluana and I'm the evil brother and the evil spirit. See you.
What time is the show?
Theater at 6:30.
Thank you. 2-1.
Hey, what's going on, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? It's a favorite cousin, the coolest kid on the block, Keith. If you don't know me, you know me. Hey guys, listen up, yeah?
Okay.
Hey, yo, guys, check this out. Today, 6 p.m., Brait and Back. Go right to the Brait and Back Theater. Or if you don't know it, you owe it, of course. But today, we gotta see you tonight for Umlilwane. Am I right?
Yes.
Alright, cool, yeah.
Thank you.
So, guys, please pull up. It's gonna be amazing.
Thank you. 1.
Sanibonani niyaphila? Hayi ngiyaphila ngoba manje ngifuna inkohla sechazi lawana kujali ke. Ngingaphuthela ke namhlanje eBreit ngo-past 5 umlilwane sobe kumnandi sobe sikhipha. Yazi ke lapho osishama move lapha sidansa lapha. Ungayisoli usandele uzobukela. Hawu, uyakhohlwa indaba ye-stress. So support intombi yakazungu ugwabeni. Hawu msengwane. Ngiyabonga.
Thank you.
All about you too. My name is Tapelo Gobo. Guys, I'm here to invite you for a little show ya Samkelisiwe Zungu called Mlilwana. It is choreographed and directed by Samkelisiwe. Be there today, 6:30. Be there or be told. Go Breitenbach Theater.
Thank you. 2, 1.
Dumelanhle. I hope you guys come today and watch Umlilwana the Prophecy, directed and choreographed by the only Funke. Today, guys, at 7 o'clock, 6:30 today. Please come. Breitenbach Theater. Dumelan, guys. Please come to Breitenbach at 6:30 tonight to watch Umlilwana the Prophecy, directed and choreographed by the one and only Funke. Don't miss out.
Thank you.
Sanibona Mangusalelwa Makhanya. Please stay tuned at Breitenbach Theater ngo 6:30. Come and watch Samkelisiwe's piece called Mlilwana the Prophecy. Be there or be told. I'm about to guys, salute.
Danko. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Dando Msele and ndicela abafethu sihambeni siyobuka Mlilwana the Prophecy idlala namhlanje 6:30. Cela stay at Brait namhlanje enkosi.
Right. Yes, this is Siyabonga Megwa, also known as Zuri. Please come and watch Umlilwana, choreographed by Samkelisiwe Zungu. Happening today at the Breitenbach Theater. Time 6:30. Be there, be told.
Thank you.
Dumelang hi guys. Guys, please go watch Lilwana today. The tickets are free. Book your space. Yeah, and what Lilwana ne? Free. 6.
Yeah.
6 tickets are free.
The song goes down.
Today. Basket going.
6:30.
6:30 at Breitenbach Theater. Thank you very much. Guys, yeah. You said it's what?
Lilwana the Prophet.
Lilwana the Prophecy, yeah. Today we're going to watch Lilwana the Prophecy, so yeah. Join us.
Hi guys, ngina Oliswa. Oli baby. Hi. Ngibaliswa ngaphasi sizobuka show. Ebreit.
Kibiso lakho sixoliswa ngicast of Umlilwana. Iyadlala ngo6:30 iyathoma today itlanebuka at 6:30 nango Thursday iyadlala at same time same place nango Saturday nge1 ngo3 hlanzoyibuka nizongibona ngiperform niyafuna uzumlulana nobani lulana yini sizoyibuka.
My name is Lumsani Mjali. Yeah, guys in 6:30 Umlilwana Mjali Brady sayivula Choma Refet Umlilwana vula around 6. What's up, guys? My name is CV. Yeah, my name is CV. We love to watch Umlilwana at 6. You don't want to miss it.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Prince Merit. Milana, wait! Tonight, about tonight. 6:30, be there or be told. Yeah, Milana.
Hi everyone, my name is Kona Mangwan and I am playing Nandi within the production, which is Mama Kamlilwana. I hope you guys come and enjoy the show. See you at 6:30. Love you. Ebrati today. Ziawa. Kamlilwana forever. Aluta.
What's up, Sir Christopher Black, the musical director. Please make your way to the Breitenbach Theater today at 6:30, or on Thursday at 6:30, or Saturday at 3 p.m.
Hey lovely people, my name is Mahle Zogazile. I'm at the Breitenbach Theater to watch Umlilwana. It's playing today at 16:30. Make sure you don't miss it. Please, you will show up. Lovely stuff.
Thank you.
Sanibona nini njani ngiyathemba usinyaphila. Guys, wozani la iBreitsi idlala Umlilwana The Prophecy today at 6 o'clock. Guys, be here or be told because sazokhipha. Tada, kama nguneli bakandlovu sibona ngiyabona i-technician.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Atalia Zimbani and we're about to watch Umlilwana The Prophecy at Breitenbach after 6 o'clock today.
Hi guys, come watch Umlilwana The Prophecy today vandaag after 6. See you there.
Hi guys, my name is Thembanga Binde. I am the lighting designer and creative for this production called Umlilwana Prophecy. Yes.
Hi guys, my name is Glenn Rero, and currently for this show I'm a stage crew member specializing in sound lighting. Ciao, bye.
Come see the show. How?
I'm sorry guys, I forgot. Come see the show. 6:30. Be there. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this amazing show by Samkelisiwe. I'm your TSM Penyamon Padi. This is Umlilwana The Prophecy. Hope you're going to enjoy it. See you soon tonight. Let's go.